Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about the friendship. Yes, we are going to talk how to make a function friend of some kind of class. Okay, first, imagine a situation like that. We are creating a function, but here, in that place, the main CPP. Well, as you can see, we have the code from the previous lesson here. And we are creating a function here, for example, that will not return anything and it will set x, okay? And here, that thing will set x or to some kind of object, the type is position, and it will set the x value that will be sent, right? And here I will create a definition of that function, and of course I need to name that variable somehow. And now I will go to the object dot x and I will assign here value, right? I'm trying to get to that place here. The x is there in the lower case written. And as you can see, well, we have an error because that place here is private and that function here won't be able to change the x here. We would need to make a function inside the public section here. But sometimes it is useful to have the function here because, well, we can't, for example, edit something in the class or the creator of the class will allow other functions to do things like that. So how to let that function here created here to edit the x here because it's private, right? How to let it do it? Well, we have to just copy that thing here, okay, and we need to make it the friend. So we'll just add here a friend word, and now we say that this function is a friend of this class. So this thing should work fine because, you know, hey, I'm friend, now I can use your private things, okay? I believe you, right? I believe you won't steal anything, you want to change anything wrong way. And as you can see, now it works. And let's change, for example, the position of x for the dog. So I will set x for dog to, for example, 500, or let's call it 1500. So that thing here should change to that value here. Let's check it out. As you can see, that value hasn't changed, even though we can change the x here. Why is that so? I would like to remind you that this thing here looks like really like that. So we are assigning here just dog as a value, so this is a copy of that object. So if we want to check this dog that is here, right, we should do what? We should, for example, use the reference. So let's change everywhere the declarations, and now this thing will look like that and everything will work fine then, right? Now as you can see, the value is changing very well. Okay, that's all in that lesson. Thank you very much.